Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say I blame you, trying to come close to, but all you can do. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. Put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Got the wrong. Got the wrong guy. Try to tell me you got the wrong guy.
Always so many cars parked at places. You see how quick we get up there, like with that mile per hour. Yeah. We just hit like there. The anti-lag on this shit's no joke.
Yeah. Holy shit. I thought it was gonna hit hard, but my god, dude. Holy shit, dude. This is gonna be some killer ass footage.
Welcome to the outro. Kind of the same as the intro. I forgot to record it on top of the fact that we ran out of daylight by the time I would have filmed the outro. But if you guys do want to see a part 2, like I said before, let me know. If you guys did like this content, be sure to express that down below. If you guys have any, comments in regards to what you would like to see otherwise on this channel, I'm definitely planning on doing more interviews, reviews, and ride-alongs in cars other than the Road to 500 series. I'll definitely be doing that, but let me know. And the part 2 to the Road to 500 series should be coming up within this week, so stay tuned to see that and follow along for more content. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed.
Over the siren sound, this is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far, holding your breath still.